Title: The Lifestyle of Sir George Barlow. Narrator: In the late 18th and early 19th centuries, Sir George Barlow lived a life of duty, governance, and controversy. Born in 1762, he became a British colonial administrator, rising to the position of Governor-General of India in 1805. His lifestyle reflected the disciplined and hierarchical structure of the British ruling class, particularly within the East India Company. Scene 1, The Life of an Administrator, soft classical music playing in the background. Narrator: Unlike the opulent lifestyles of some British officials in India, Barlow was known for his austere and pragmatic approach. His daily routine was marked by early mornings filled with correspondence, official reports, and strategic meetings. As a key figure in the British administration, he focused on maintaining order, implementing policies, and navigating the turbulent political landscape of India. Visual: a study filled with maps, documents, and a quill pen scribbling on parchment. Scene 2, Life in British India. Narrator: Living in colonial India, Barlow had access to grand residences, but he remained largely indifferent to luxury. While other British officials indulged in extravagant banquets and social gatherings, he was more reserved, preferring intellectual discussions over excessive revelry. His meals were simple, often influenced by British culinary traditions, though Indian servants and cooks surrounded him, blending local flavors into his diet. Visual: a modest dinner table set with a mix of British and Indian dishes. Scene 3, Political turmoil and isolation. Narrator: Barlow's tenure as Governor-General was marked by unrest. His strict policies and refusal to support princely alliances made him unpopular among both British officials and Indian rulers. Unlike his predecessors, who wielded influence through diplomacy and military strength, Barlow emphasized cost-cutting and administrative efficiency, earning him a reputation for being rigid and uncharismatic. Visual: letters from dissatisfied officials, reports of military dissent, and scenes of political debates. Scene 4, The Later Years. Narrator: After being recalled to Britain, Barlow lived a quieter life. Unlike other colonial figures who returned home with vast fortunes, his career ended with little fanfare. He spent his later years reflecting on his governance, engaging in political discussions, and maintaining a modest existence, away from the grandeur that many of his contemporaries sought. Visual: an elderly Barlow reading in a dimly lit study, surrounded